Yo guys, how you doing? I'm today in famous Padang Padang beach. Behind me is beautiful weather, as you see, maybe the reflection of the sun from my sunglasses, and we'll see how's the life. I saw in the parking area and already in the reception, and it's quite busier. When I was here last time, I was already only once here, about half year ago, maybe longer. So was at that time was deadly quiet, but maybe today will be more busy. Hopefully, let's see. And of course, make sure so many stairs going down and later up, obviously. But I hear loud music down there, so check this out. Oh, and I also forgot, here is also so many stairs in the small cave like this, so be prepared for that. But I hope so it's worth it. All right, and the first shot to the beach, still on the stairs without editing. That's how it looks like, busier than was last time, definitely. Definitely much busier than was last time. Bintang, hello. Maybe later, yeah. There's Bintang on the beach, so that's good sign. And there are some people mix between local Indonesian and foreigner also here. So that's the good sign. And yeah, let's see how's the life. Usually there are many surfers on this beach, but seems like not today. Maybe the waves are not that best today. Anyway, that's how it looks, the beach from this perspective. Beautiful cliff, people sunbathing, stuff like this. There is the famous bridge where sometimes when I'm going to Luvata, I'm showing you around. And meanwhile, that's how it looks like. Still very cozy and very quiet, but definitely much busier than last time. Oh, the waves actually are nice. This is another part of the beach. There are some photo session at the front. Interesting. Something is happening here, definitely, to compare to the last time. It's actually good light now, very good weather. Quickly, I'm gonna show you how does it look like, what you can expect. And there are some local people sunbathing, and here, really not that bad today. Not that bad at all. And in general, that's how it looks, the beach. There could be beautiful sunset today, maybe, hopefully, and that's how it looks like. Simply life on the beach. Also gonna hit jar. All right, so here on the top of this cliff is the temple. I'm not gonna go up, and meanwhile here there are some secret spots what you could potentially make some beautiful picture, eventually chill like between this rock somewhere. However, walking on these rocks, especially in the flip-flops, what you are obviously on the beach you are, that's not the easiest way. And also on the top of these cliffs like this one, for example, over there they are villas. I will fly drones soon, so I will show you more how does it look like, and that's how it looks simply today. Also here this sign is not just for the joke. They are really monkeys here. You have to be careful and always watch your belongings. They are quite cheeky here. Much more cheeky than we are. Because we are obviously monkeys also, but only nickname, they are real monkeys. And in my beautiful beach over here, definitely you have to agree with me. You can comment below, what do you think about this beach?
Wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. The part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? It's getting old, I've heard your story told 1,000 times. Baby, you are using the same old lines. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time. feet are walking to a different sound. I'll leave the bitter taste of love come back, I'm finally free. In the mirror I can see a different me. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. Love is gone, and there's no road leading us back home. This ain't the first time, but it's the last time. At the bottom of the barrel, there's no love to be found. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time, I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind. It's a good day to be drinking till I'm fine.
Alright guys, I just had a few beautiful shots from the drone. I hope so you enjoyed. That's how it looks, the beautiful vibes on this beach. Comment below if you ever been here, or would you visit this after watching my vlog. Everything is fine, but these stairs, they are killers. Oh my god, so hard to go up. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.
It's a good day to be drinking